Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And here I am doing a work from home video because I'm working from home. Hey, have you ever had a terrible webcam image on your staff meeting or an online meeting you're having and everything because you're using the silly integrated webcam on your laptop? Well, I'm going to show you a free way to fix that today. If y'all look at my computer here, I'm using my smartphone. Let me turn you around a little bit. I'm using my smartphone to be my webcam, and it's free. And I'll show you how to do it here in just a minute. Stay with us. Okay, now when you've got your laptop open up and you're using the integrated webcam, the integrated microphone, this is normally what you got. You got kind of a washed out image. I have good lighting and everything in here, but it's still not all that great. And this is my opinion, when you're having an online meeting with somebody, you want to present yourself in the best light, the best way you can. You don't want to roll in there and have a garbled up image and everything. I just think that when I'm having to face somebody over the internet, I want to have the best image I can, especially the way I look. I need some help. But so integrated webcam, integrated microphone. So we're going to go switch to the USB webcam, see how it looks, see how it sounds, and we'll go from there. Okay, so now we've switched over to the Logitech USB webcam, and we're using the microphone that's on the webcam as well. And this is it's a couple years old. It's a Logitech C615. It says it has 1080p HD video, and it's a lot better. There's a lot more customizable controls and settings that you can do. You know, your white balance, your brightness, color, contrast, and focus. You can change all that stuff. The software that I'm using right now is called OBS, and it's a streaming software, and it allows you to really customize this. The image quality is better. You know, I do have sound deadening panels in the office here, and some lighting going on to help all this out, but still not the greatest video. So now we're going to switch over to my iPhone using a free software. Iriun, I think is how you call it. It's Iriun. And I'm going to show you how to install that and set it up. Because, 90% of us all have a smartphone. And the image quality on those have really improved over the years. So we'll look at that now and see what we got. All right, so what we've done, we've looked at the integrated webcam, we've looked at the Logitech USB webcam. Now we're going to use the iPhone. This is the iPhone XR 10R. Just whatever. So we're going to go here and I'm going to try to show you what I got and what we're going to do. Let me get in front of the camera, behind the camera. All right, so I'm going to go to the App Store. I'm going to go to, now this is on an iPhone, so Android will be a little different. So I'm going to look for Iriun, Iriun webcam. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Now I've already had it on the phone, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it again. And it says Iriun webcam for PC and Mac. All right, just that fast. All right, now that you have it on the phone, and we'll open it up in just a second, but you need a lightning cable, or if your phone is one of the new USB-C phones, or some of the Android, or use the micro USB. You know, whatever USB connection to your computer. And this works Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I've got it hooked up. We're going to go to the computer now and look at it. Okay, now I'm going to open up my web browser, Google Chrome or anything, and in the search box in Google, I'm going to type in Iriun webcam. And there it is, it pops up in my search. And it's Iriun.com. And you have three choices. You have Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu, which is Linux. So we're going to take Windows for webcam for Windows. And I'm going to keep it. I'm going to go ahead and run it. And it's a normal Windows installer. I'm going to accept it. I got one camera. Default everything. Just next, 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 and then finish. And I'm going to go ahead, it says start Iriun webcam server. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, now I'm going to go and take my phone. I'm going to open the application and it opens up and it asks you if it can have access to your, wow, it connected wirelessly. That's sweet. All right, so I'm going to turn it around. So it's getting it off our Wi-Fi here. That's pretty awesome. And the front-facing camera on this phone is pretty good. I mean, it's... So my video format's automatic. So that's pretty sweet. All right, so I'll close that. And let me open up another web browser here. And I do have a lavalier microphone that I'm recording to. So that's nothing. You don't want your audio to be garbled up either. It's terrible when it's that way. Let me just try new meeting. No, let's just go in here and look and make sure it shows up. All right, there's my. So it's wanting to use the microphone on my phone. My speaker's going out, and I can tell it's actually working. Test. And there's my speakers. Okay, so when I go over here, there's my Iriun webcam. So it works. Works pretty good too. I mean, the image looks very well, and hopefully it'll sound very good. So let me open up how I'm recording my screen right now is in OBS, and that's just terrible. So let me go here and add when I'm recording. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. Okay, so I've switched the microphone over to the Iriun webcam, the videos of the Iriun webcam, and I'm on a smaller screen right here. This is my TV that's above the computer here. And if y'all hear noise in the background, my neighbor's got his lawnmower out. So the image quality, this is the default image quality on the front-facing camera. And it is a whole lot better, and I hope it sounds better. I'm looking at the audio mixer where I'm recording it, and it's pretty constant. You know, if you're listening on the phone, you know, generally pretty good. From what I've seen, the battery life is not bad. You can switch to either camera. Did I mention that it's free? It's free. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody, because if you're like me and you want to do your best when you're back here on the work computer and you're talking with your colleagues at work or a vendor or just anybody, you know, you're having a meeting with, and it's nice to have a good image and good sound and everything, because if somebody's garbled up and you can't hear them and everything, you're sitting there going, God, when is this meeting going in? So hopefully you won't have to do it anymore if you try this. and I'm enjoying it. So, so anyway, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button down there. Hit the little bell to be notified. We were at 343 subscribers just a minute ago, and I can't thank you enough. I appreciate it. And hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a good week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.